Arvind Kejriwal could well become the first chief minister to sit on a protest outside the Home Minister's office.
Now, this in response, Sushil Kumar Shinde has imposed a curfew of sorts, banning large gatherings, also keeping in mind the preparations for 26th of January. Kejriwal says Shinde has until 10 a.m. today to sack these 3 policemen who refused his minister's demands to barge into a home without a warrant.
It's all set for a major showdown between the Delhi government and the Delhi police. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his cabinet colleagues will sit on a dharna before the Home Minister's office demanding action against the cops who disobeyed their orders to detain and search 4 Ugandan women.
अभी तक का जो निर्णय है उसके मुताबिक अगर कार्रवाई नहीं हुई तो धरना देने की बात तय है.
The Delhi police, backed by the centre, is doing its best to see that the Chief Minister's protests fail. Prohibitory orders have been issued in many parts of the city to stop Kejriwal from holding a protest. Police will put barricades around the area, including the Parliament complex and the North and South blocks. Metro stations around the Parliament area will be closed to stop protesters from reaching out. Kejriwal's political rivals hit out at him for his face-off with his own state police.
अब वो समझते हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी एक फ्री फॉर ऑल है, उसमें जो चाहे किसी नियम को फलांगते हुए जो चाहे कर ले. ये करने से हम एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था को दे रहे हैं और लोकतंत्र के नाम में ही दे रहे हैं. इस पर थोड़ा सा उनको सोचना चाहिए.
Just hours before the dharna, Kejriwal softened his stand, saying if cops should at least be transferred if not suspended. The Home Ministry too responded by asking for files on 3 incidents to see if any action can be taken.
Delhi police has imposed Section 144 in parts of New Delhi as they prepare for the dharna of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal outside the Home Ministry. Kejriwal today extended an olive branch to the centre and softened his stance when he said that even the transfer of the 3 Delhi police officers will be acceptable. Now all eyes will be on the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde on whether he will be able to prevent another showdown between the Delhi government and the centre. In New Delhi, Ankit Tyagi for Headlines Today.